The popular online role-playing platform Roll20 has warned users of a data breach exposing personal and financial information. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. Roll20 is an online digital platform used for playing tabletop role-playing games like Dungeons & Dragons virtually. It saw huge growth in popularity during COVID lockdowns when in-person gaming wasn't possible. Roll20 sent out emails on June 3rd notifying customers that an unauthorized third party had gained access to administrative tools on June 29th at approximately 6:30 p.m. Within an hour, Roll20 blocked access to the compromised account and began an investigation. After completing their investigation, Roll20 learned that the breach may have resulted in exposure of personal data, including first and last names, emails, last known IP addresses, and the last 4 digits of credit cards for users who had made payments through the platform. Notably, Roll20 stated that passwords and full payment information like addresses and full credit card numbers were not exposed in the breach. The email sent to users encourages anyone concerned to open a ticket on the Roll20 help site, where they can view specifically what data may have been compromised for their individual account. This isn't the first data breach for Roll20. In 2018, a similar incident compromised information of around 4 million users, including names, emails, and IP addresses. So far, no hacking group has claimed responsibility for the latest breach. As one of the largest platforms for online tabletop gaming, this data breach poses risks for the personal information and privacy of millions of Roll20 users. It's a reminder that even major websites can sometimes fail to properly secure customer data. With cybercrime on the rise, no company is safe in the cyberspace, and events like these continue to be an almost daily occurrence. That's why we've partnered with Stonefly to offer our subscribers an exclusive promotion on Stonefly's backup and disaster recovery appliances. Get a 70 terabytes air-gapped and immutable Veeam, Rubrik, Commvault Site Recovery, backup and disaster recovery appliance for $7,995. Contact sales at stonefly.com to claim your promo. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming news analysis. Thanks for watching.